guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a scaredy cat. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna draw the tongue. The tongue is gonna be like right in the middle. So you're just gonna draw a big squiggly line and then mirror it on the other side. Like this. And then you could draw a little line front to separate it, two sides. Right, now the tongue has to be in a mouth, so we have to draw the mouth. So the mouth is like a little bean, well, a big bean. So you just have to draw it like this. And then pretend it's going behind the tongue, and then just like that. And now we're gonna draw the cat's fangs. Like that. And like this. And the bottom too. Just like this. Now we're gonna draw the nose. The nose is just an oval, like this. Now the two eyes, they're gonna be wide open. They're gonna be so wide that they're gonna be touching each other. So we just gotta draw them like this. And now the teensy little pupils, just circles. All right, now we're gonna draw the head. The head, we're just gonna draw a circle. And some fluffs. And then the eyebrows. Now continue it. All right, like this. Now we gotta draw the ears. So draw a thin little party hat like this, and then you can put little party things on top, and then connect it to the bottom. Same with this side. Then add little party things. Then you could just like this. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the body. So we're gonna draw the belly like this, and then finish it right here, and then the bottom. And now we gotta draw the big furry fluffy fur that stood up since Scaredy Cat was so scared. Like this. Now we could draw the big tail. Just draw more spikes. Spikes. And now we're gonna just do the big spike at the end. All right, now we're gonna do the long, really long extended arms. So right here, we're gonna just draw a line that connects there. And now we're going to make more spikes. And then keep making more spikes. Alright, now we're gonna have to draw the little paw pads on the inside. So one big circle, and then 3 little circles. And now we're gonna draw the other side one. We're gonna start it right at the tongue, and then like that. And then more spiky spikes. Like a lot of little waves, kind of. Spiky waves. Then a big one there. You could do your spikes however you want. Really, it doesn't matter. You just gotta be yourself. Now the big circle. Another 3 little circles. Like this. Alright, for the legs, we're gonna do like the same thing. You could put tiny little fur on it. Alright, now you could make the foot first, then you could do the spikes on top of it, so you could see where to do them. Just like that. And you could just like that. And you could just connect it like this so you could kind of see where the ball would be. Then you just gotta draw a big circle. And here we could draw 4 little circles. Like that. And now with the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. Again. So do the leg. And then do the paw shape. Then just do the waves or spikes. Like this. Then do the big circle, little circle, little circle, little circle, then little circle. Alright, it's time to color. These are the colors I'm going to use. We have this blush pink. We have burnt ochre, sunburnt yellow. I'm going to get started. thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!